Up the ante. Boosting the stakes in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that's often heard in both casual and formal settings. Up the ante. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to up the ante and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Up the ante is an idiom that originally comes from the world of poker, a card game where players bet money on the strength of the cards they hold. Ante refers to the initial stake or bet each player makes before the cards are dealt. To up the ante means to increase the stakes or the risk of an activity or situation, usually by raising the amount of money or the level of commitment involved. It's used metaphorically in various contexts outside of gambling to indicate increasing the level of challenge or risk. Let's look at some examples to see how up the ante can be used. In business, our competitors have improved their offer, so we need to up the ante if we want to stay in the game. In personal goals, I've been jogging 2 miles a day, but today I decided to up the ante and go for 3 miles. In negotiations, they upped the ante by adding more demands to the deal, so now we have to reconsider our position. Use it when talking about increasing challenges, risks, or stakes. It's suitable for both formal and informal situations. Remember that it implies a significant increase, not just a minor change. I hope this video clears up what it means to up the ante and how you can use it to express the idea of raising the stakes. It's a handy phrase that can add flair to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to up the ante in your own language learning journey. See you next time.